Cinematic AI videos are getting millions of views all over social media, starting with YouTube. And now in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make cinematic AI videos in just a few clicks. Because most people think that it takes hours or days to create cinematic AI videos, scene by scene, write the script, coming up with the voiceover, and creating the visuals, then turning them into animations, and it's a lot of tasks, right? But actually you can make all of this process in just a few simple clicks. Let me show you how. So this is a YouTube channel called Buried Empires. So they post videos on Roman history. As you can see, it's all about Roman soldiers, how the military was going battles, what they were doing, how they were living. For example, their most viral video got more than 600,000 views. Let's check it out together.
Every night, 50,000 Roman soldiers stopped marching, stopped fighting, and did something that should have been impossible.
So as you can see, the video has got a voiceover and we've got these cinematic scenes, realistic. For example, here we've got the army, we've got soldiers here in close shot. So we've got a bunch of different scenes with different shots. As you can see, horizontal and vertical movements. So it's a full video with cinematic shots. But obviously, to make a video like this, we first need a relevant topic, viral video topic. Then we need the video script. Then we need to figure out a way to create these scenes relatively to the script. And we need to then figure out a way to create the scenes one by one, which should be synced with the script, okay? So we cannot just put random images and random scenes. It should be meaningful and synced with the script. So that seems a lot of work, right? But obviously we can actually make those videos in just a few clicks. So what we want to do is really simple. Let's say that you want to make a video like this, right? What you do is you copy the link of this viral video, okay? So this was a viral video that we like the style. So you want to make a similar video like this. So we copy the link. Then we go to this AI tool called Direct AI. So in Direct AI, we've got a bunch of different features which you can explore, like the shorts generator, thumbnail generator, and presets. But the one that we are going to be looking today is going to be the video generator. Okay, so this is the long video generator powered with AI. So it has got the capability of creating any kind of faceless video that we like. So especially a video like this. So what we want is, first it will ask us to write a script, right? Because there are like different sections, as you can see: script, example video, style, strategy, settings, characters, and generate. So there are some simple steps that we need to follow along the way, and it's just gonna guide us and create our very first video. So for script, we've got two options. We can generate a new script and we can use our own script, okay? So we've got two different options here. Since I don't have my own script, which I could have, I will continue with this generate script option. So first I need a topic, right, to write a script about. And I don't have a topic as well, so that's why I'm gonna create new ideas. So I click on that button. Here it asks me to paste a YouTube URL link. So I paste the link that I copied from that viral video and click on generate ideas. Now AI is analyzing that viral video topic and hundreds of other videos in this niche posting similar type of content, and it's just gonna come up with similar viral video ideas, okay? So as you can see, how Roman soldiers kept warm during winter campaigns, how Roman soldiers never ate alone in the field. So we've got a bunch of different topics that we can use for our new video. So I've chosen one of them, as you can see, why Roman soldiers wore sandals into battle. I think this is a pretty cool one. We can use this interesting topic. And YouTube URL is automatically brought to here. This is for the script reference. I'm gonna use this video for style and strategy analysis as well, okay? So this is an important part. If I want a different visual style than the example video, that I need to give another video as an example. So obviously this realistic documentary style, I like this one, so I just want to continue with this one for the visual style of my new video as well. But if I want something different, maybe like 2D animation, maybe a stickman style, anything that you can imagine, you can actually give it to AI as a reference. It's going to analyze and use a similar style, suggest you a similar visual style in your new video. So for script and the visuals, we're going to use this video. For total number of words, we can keep it short, like around 3-4 minutes, but we can go all the way up to 30 minutes and even more for the length. So I continue. Now AI is gonna write my script in just a few seconds, then we can continue the next step where I will need the script and other elements to continue, okay? Okay, the script is created. Now I'm in step 2, which is the example video section, okay? So here I can give another example video if I want as a reference. It will analyze the style and suggest me the style and strategy for the next section. So obviously I want to use the same video. I just click on analyze video button, that's it. So again, in just a few seconds, it's going to analyze the video and suggest me the new style of my video. The analysis is done. Now it came out with this conclusion: epic historical reenactment style, 3 strategies, 8-second pacing for the scenes, character consistency not needed. Obviously this is wonderful because I don't need character consistency. It's not a story. I don't need a main character which will appear in every scene, right? Characters can be different. There will be 8-second pacing. That's a good one as well because I don't know in which frequency I need to change the scenes. So it has analyzed and came up with the conclusion that it's going to change the scene in every 8 seconds. So after confirming this, I continue with the style selection. Okay, now I'm in style preview. So it came out with this prompt which I can edit if I want to create my style. I continue and click generate preview. Now AI is generating my style preview. Then if I confirm it as well, I'm going to continue with the strategy. And here we go. Our example scene visual style is ready. As you can see, wonderful, just like I wanted, with details, ultra realistic scene. We've got the soldiers, we've got a close shot here. So this is something that I'm looking for. So I'm totally okay with this. If I want, I can regenerate if I don't like and edit the style, but this looks good. I'm going to continue. Now, according to the style and the example reference video that I've selected, now it's going to suggest me 3 strategies for the prompts and the scenes that are going to be created, okay? So I click on generate previews. Now in just a few seconds, it's going to create me 3 different options for the strategy of my new video. Okay, our strategies are ready. As you can see, we've got 3 different options. First one is cinematic historical scene. It creates a wide cinematic shot depicting a large-scale historical event or environment. So it focuses on more larger-scale environments. With the second one, we've got action-oriented medium shot. It focuses on a group of individuals performing a specific task or action described in the narration. And for the third one, we've got detailed object focus. This focuses on more closer shots and a detailed view of a specific artifact of a piece of equipment. So I can continue with this second option, which is going to be the best one, I think. So, but you've got the different options as well, as you can see. So I can save this preset as well for the future videos. And now I'm going to continue with the settings, the last settings that I need to select for my video, like the voice artist, background music, and other simple stuff like that. First, the voice artist. So I've got different options here. So for a video like this, I think we can continue with George, okay? I think it's a good one.
Hi, this is a premium voice demo.
We can use George definitely. We can add some background music if we want. For example, for a video like this, maybe we can use something like military. For example, here we've got military patriotic. So I'm gonna put this one and set the volume to just 1-2% is more than enough. And for AI model, I'm gonna use a premium one. For image animation, I'm gonna go with this all option. So it's gonna animate every scene. But obviously there are niches or documentary styles where you can use images as well, or just use animations in the intro only. You obviously have got that option. So for animation model, I'm gonna go with the premium one because it's gonna it's gonna bring this audio reactive option, which is essentially the sound effects for my different scenes. So for a video like this, you don't necessarily need a sound effect for the scenes, but I like to use it and show it to you. I don't need character consistency. I can use some zoom effect if I want, but it's not an image only video. If it was an image only video, I could use some zoom effect and bring some dynamism. But for a video like this where we already have got animations in every scene, I don't need that. I can review the images to make sure about the quality of each scene and change the ones that I don't like. If I don't turn this option on, it's just going to create the video after I click the generate button. It will not ask my permission to approve the scenes, okay? So if you want full control, just make sure you select this option. For captions, I will turn it off, but obviously you can use captions and customize it as well. So after selecting all of these, I go and click continue to generate. And here, since I didn't select any character consistency and it's not a story-based video, it will just skip this step, which is the character step. But if it was a story video, I could design my characters to be used in the video, okay? So after skipping this, I continue to generate section, and now you see a summary credit breakdown of everything that you have selected. Obviously, this is a high intensity animation, high quality video with realistic scenes. That's why the credit cost is gonna be higher compared to a normal video where you use just a few animations or images only. So after selecting these, I go and click generate video. Now AI is gonna write my script, create my scenes, put everything together along with the background music and captions if I select it, and give me a final video that I can use and share anywhere I want. And our video is ready, let's check it out.
Every day, Roman soldiers marched 30 kilometers through mud, snow, and desert heat, wearing what appears to be the worst possible military footwear. Open-toed sandals, not boots, not enclosed leather shoes. Sandals, the kind of foot.
As you can see, we've got these beautiful animations, cinematic shots across all of the scenes. We've got close shots, wide shots. For example, this one with sound effects as well.
Not randomly. The placement was standardized. Dozens of iron.
We've got all of our cinematic shots across different scenes consistently. For example, look at this one.
Served multiple purposes. First, traction. A Roman soldier carried approximately 40 kilograms of equipment on the march. On steep.
Everything is ready. Now I can just download this video and use it. As you can see, each of the scenes are created, sync with the script. We've got our voiceover. Everything is ready for us. That's how easy it is to make cinematic videos using AI in just a couple of clicks. You don't need to reprompt scene by scene. You don't need to create a script. You don't need to deal with all that crap, okay? You don't need to spend hours or days. So you can literally make a video in just a couple of clicks with this high quality. So if you want to try this AI tool called Direct AI, I'm going to put a link right below this video. You can access to the tool with an additional 20% discount code. If you've got any questions, let me know right below this video. I'll be answering all of them. That was it for this video. See you in the next one.